Shadim Shari, it is Thursday, the most important day of the week. Lately, well, for the past 6 months and for sure the next few weeks, I believe it is the most important day of the week because of the jobless claim data that come out. Um, so far on Tuesday and Wednesday, the data came out expected. The trend is definitely favor lower PPI and lower CPI the last few months. So that's not a surprise. But to me, the most important data is the jobless claim every week, every Thursday, because that is what the Fed is focusing on more now than the CPI stuff. The CPI and PPI is going lower and it's in the comfort zone that the Fed is not as concerned as they were, say, 6 months ago. The jobless claim data is what will be the factor in how soon and how big of a rate cut they will do in September or before or after. It's we had to go week by week. So for the next 4 weeks, that's what is important, as well as the unemployment data that's going to come out in 3 weeks. The unemployment rate for the month of August will come out in about 3 weeks. And depending on how good or bad that number is, then it will be the reason why the Fed will do what they do in mid-September. All right, let's go to snow. If you trade using the channel, congratulations. Is it time to go? Not yet, but if you hold off snow, the channel high 144, yeah, that's the spot. Okay, we talk about regret holders often, right? You have a full retracement here. You have snow, big move, 52-week high up there, and ever since, over the last 3 quarters, this is ugly. What was support zone turned into resistance. So it will be another area of resistance. On top of that being, there's a confluence, right? You have the full retracement resistant, you get the 100 MA, you get the channel high. So all kind of problem is above between 143 and 144. Okay. Now, if it break it, then giddy up. Okay. If the earning next week is, I think it's next week. Let me look. Is there any news here on when we have earning? Nope, not that I can see yet, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna be next week. Yeah, so be careful, okay? But if earning is a big surprise on the upside, we can see a breakout of this down channel and then giddy up, right? So I'm watching. I like snow. I've been trading snow for a while, so it's on the watch list. It is on the other one that had earning already and exploded. It's time to go. Okay, it's time to go. Can it go higher? Sure, but um, at least trim is trim. I would be all gone by now. Why? I am all gone. Okay, I am all gone. Look, is it a surprise that it's right here? Okay, look, go back 3 years. This thing has been here many times. Only once did it break through, and that didn't last a month. Okay, before it got hammered. This is one of the ugliest dropped in the last 3 years. Okay, so that was one of the ugliest drop in the last 3 years, and this is one of the prettiest God candle. You get the devil candle here, and then you get the God candle here, right? But take your winning trophy and move on, right? Um, look, earning is looking healthy, but compared to 3 years ago, look at the earning, way better than what it was the last 3 quarters. Okay, so yes, it's stabilizing, but no, it's not anything compared to what it was 3 years ago. Okay, so I'm not all that crazy about Fortinet right now. Here's a stock that I have not looked at until yesterday. I think I looked at it once after the IPO. So it's a fairly young stock. Okay, it only came out back in March 21st, the IPO. Earning was decent. I draw the fib, as you can. Not a surprise that it is consolidating since earning right here, right? Because TA works. Let me harp on TA again, okay? It works. If you are new to TA, pay attention, right? Sure, you can't look at this on the way up, right? On the way up, you can look at this. Look at this. Okay, so IPO, you can see this as, you can look at this area right here as a breakout because you get a big move, right? And the check back. The check back, okay? Consolidate. Come back. Test the consolidated zone, yeah? Move to 52-week high. And then ever since, given how weak the market has been, it's not a surprise that it retraced back into the fib, the 61.8 fib, and consolidate into this zone of support. Okay, so I don't think it's a bad area to buy here. Well, I wouldn't chase it. Okay, I wouldn't chase it into the 20 MA, but I think buying in the 54, 55 range is okay. I wouldn't be paying 59, 58. Okay, those are more like the area of resistance for now. The next fib up, but yeah, it's not a, right now pre-market is showing 55-ish. Yeah, I mean this is where it's tricky, right? Is it wrong to buy 5 share? Not really. It's a small risk. Of course, that's depend on your portfolio, right? If you have a 10,000 portfolio, even buying 5 share is a big chunk. But if you're playing with something bigger size, buying 2 or 5 share is not a big deal, right? But yeah, I don't mind paying 55. I would love to pay 54, 53. Yeah, heck, even sell a put. Okay, there is, look, there's plenty of put. There is put. Put expiring tomorrow. Certainly that's not, you know. But look, there is juice in the put next week. Look at next week put. I don't think it's a bad idea to sell 52 if you're able to grab 100 shares. Should it drop below 52? Yeah, not a bad idea at all. Okay, let's go even more. Even 50 put have decent juice. So yeah, I like playing puts here. And 50 is because basically the red flow is 49.13. So if you sell a 50 naked put and willing to swallow 100 shares right there, just below 50 in the 49 range, yeah, that's not a bad idea. And if you want to play safer, do a 49 naked put. to give yourself the ultimate protection, right? Let's see. Let's take a look at the option. Is there what the choose on 49? What is 49 and a half? Yeah, that's decent. You can might be able to get 50, 60 cents. Knock your average cost down to 49. That's not bad at all, right? I like that. I might do that myself. A 49 and a half naked put. Yeah, that's the play, okay? Now, I talked about Cisco last week, that I like Cisco. I just didn't want to buy it into earning. And well, guess what? Earning came out last night and looked like we're going to get a nice gap up right into resistance. Right now, you see it, 48 pre-market. Let's see, aftermarket yesterday, where did it go? Yeah, see, aftermarket yesterday, it went there. And right now, it's peaking into that resistance zone. So TA will tell you, will help you, okay? So if you have it, if you're long, it's time to go. Put your sell order up there. 48.67 pre-market. I'll do it, okay? Because that's the look. You got rev high twice on top of the 200 MA, right? You don't have to sell the whole thing. Sell at least a quarter of your position or a third, and then set up another chunk right there at 50.2 or 50, between 50 and 50.2, okay? Because that's the other zone rev high up here, right? You see it, you can see it, right? Yeah, so you use your eyes, okay? Your eyes, the chart will show your eyes where things can go. But Cisco, I think earning is more juiced up because they're laying off thousands of people, thousands, something like 6,000 they announced yesterday with the earning. Yeah, 7%. See, revenue fall. That was my concern, right? Times are tough. Okay, there is all this company, especially hardware, is Cisco's popping more because they are curbing expense. They're not the first. Dell, Cisco, you name it, Intel. Yeah, it's not a good time, but let's see how that translates into jobless claim down the road. Okay, because like I said, these companies, they do give out severance packages, so it's not like 7% of their workforce is going to hit the jobless claim department next week. Okay, they probably get 2 months severance pay, so they might not hit the jobless claim until December. Anyhow, all eyes on the jobless claim today. We'll see how the market react.